Good evening, viewers. So today we'll learn a concept called redraw. So for redraw, we need to go to the map application. So first we'll enter into that CMMS application. From that CMMS application, we will click on HLBC mapping. After that, we will be redirected to this application, right? This, let's say I'm doing it live. After that, we have landed to this application. We will put the 6-digit OTP and then sign in, right? So this is our HLBC web application portal. So we'll go to the map menu, and then we will click on to be geotagged. And let's say we'll go to the in progress. There is nothing in progress. So let's say we'll go to the geotagged and we'll select one village called Sumeridar, and then we'll click here, right? So this is our Sumeridar village. So here we will go to we'll give a landmark, let's say Shiva Mandir, and I will give here the name of landmark, and then I will change the status to completed, and then I will save it. So once I save it, Sumeridar, see. So once I save it, now I'll go to the demarcation to be demarcated, and now see, this is the copy boundary option is also there. So this time we will not use the copy boundary, we will be using that redraw functionality, right? So let's say I am demarcating one HLB. Let's say this is the HLB I have demarcated. So now what we need to do, first we need to save it in progress mode, right? So this HLB has been saved. So for what we need to do, it will be now in progress Sumeridar, okay? So after that we will click here again, and now we will use the redraw button. So for what redraw button will do, it will just create a new HLB boundary, right? And the old HLB boundary will be completely vanished. So let's say if we click on redraw button, it is asking, do you want to redraw the selected HLB boundary? I will say yes and confirm. After that, I will draw another HLB boundary. Let's say this is my HLB boundary. This will be my, let's say this is my HLB boundary. So my final HLB, after redraw we will save it, then this HLB, the earlier old HLB, will be vanished or removed, right? So what we'll do, we'll save it. See, my earlier HLB has been removed, and this is my final HLB. So if we again click here, and again we will do another redraw, and in now I will do something like this. See, this is my old HLB and this will be my new HLB, right? And after that, if I save it, see, the old HLB has gone and my new HLB has been formed, right? And the village boundary is also changed. This is how the redraw option work. Now I will explain one more concept, which is called reshape option, right? So in reshape option, let's say first we will increase the shape of this HLB. Reshape, using the reshape button, we can either increase the shape, increase the size of the HLB, or we can decrease the size of the HLB. So first we will increase the size of the HLB. For increasing the size of the HLB, we will click on reshape, and then we will start from here, and then we will click it inside the HLB only. So for increasing, we will start from inside the HLB and drag the cursor and then bring it again the cursor to the bring the cursor inside the HLB, and then I will double click it. After that I will save it. Once I saved it, see, this is the shape has been increased of that HLB. So now what I will do it, I will decrease the shape. So for decreasing the shape, what we will do, we'll again, but for decreasing the shape we will again click on the reshape button, but this time I will bring the cursor from outside. So I will click here and then I will click here. Let's say this portion is not required, so I am removing this portion. See, now you can get an impression that the new HLB will be this portion will be removed, right? So after that we will save it and see, this portion has been removed. So this is how the this is how the reshape button will work. So after that what we need to do, so I have explained the reshape and redo button, a reshape and redraw button. There is so already explained the reshape button. So this is how we will be using that reshape button to increase. For increasing, we need to start the cursor from inside the HLB, and then we need to bring it again back into the HLB, right? And then I need to double click it. This will increase the HLB, and if I save it, see, the shape has been increased. Now if we want to decrease it, what we need to do, again we need to click here and then bring the cursor from outside, and then I need to keep it here. So this size will be decreased. And now if I save it, if I complete it and save it, so this part will be removed. So this is how we will be using this reshape and redraw button. I hope you like this video. Thank you.